Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy hairstyles which you can do by yourself at home. So let's get started. So the first hairstyle that we will be doing is half up, half down, and on the upper part I will be putting a bun. So take exactly half of your hair like this from your ears. Just remember guys that men's hairstyle need not have to be perfect. So separate the upper half from the lower half as much as you can. Then take a band and pass the hair which you are holding in your hand through the band like this. After passing, twist the band like this and pass your hair one more time through the band. Then twist the band again and pass the hair through the band again, but this time don't pull them out completely, just pull them half the way like this. And once you do that, you'll have to tighten your bun by pulling only the top side of the bun like this, like how I did, which will give you a nice and tight bun, as you can see here how it looks like. Now the bottom half of the hair you can adjust it like this, and here is the final look of the hairstyle. Okay, so the next hairstyle that I will be doing is man bun. So there's one important thing I want to tell y'all guys before I start doing the hairstyle is put your band on the hand like this, like how I have put here. In the first hairstyle it was slightly different, but for this hairstyle you'll have to put your band on the hand like this. Once again, let me remind you that it need not be perfect. It should be kind of a messy bun. So hold your entire hair in your hand like this, just make them nice and tight and just try to take them as high as you can. Then twist your hair like this and rotate the hair around your finger like how I am doing here. And once you rotate your hair, with one hand you'll have to hold the bun like this and then take the finger out from the bun around which you have rotated your hair. Now on this end you will already have a band. First put the band around the entire bun, then twist it and then pass the bun through it one more time. So here your bun is ready. So this is how it will look like once you are done tying the bun. So just have a look at the final look of the bun. Then we move on to our last hairstyle, for which we don't even need a band. So to do this hairstyle it is very easy. Just collect all your hair and hold them like this. Then pass your index finger and your thumb through your hair like this from this part. Then hold all your hair with your index finger and thumb and pull them out from the side through which you had put your index finger and thumb. So once you pull the hair out, it will look something like this. Now if you want, you can keep it like this or you can do it on the other side as well. So put your thumb and index finger from the other side of the hair like this and pull your entire hair from this side now. And once you're done, your hair will look something like this. So as you can see, you don't need a band to do this hairstyle. Now let's see the final look of this hairstyle and how it looks like.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose?
So that's all in this video guys, hoping that you liked the video. If you found this video useful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my next videos. Till then, bye and take care.